Hey E39 source, there's a new member there. This is Felix. This is my E39 M5 obviously, which I bought just recently in December. We're now March 30th, and it was standing in the garage because of the salt on the road and all that. But now, as I wanted to run it, it has a problem. Just a minor one, I guess. The engine oil temperature shows right up to maximum. I can show you that. Even though the car is now hot, it just shows immediately just on the maximum. Car's in neutral. So now it's still okay, but the engine is hot, as I said. And all in a second it will rise right down here. There we are, up to 150 degrees. There you can see it. I already changed the oil leveling sensor because when I turn it off it also says in French check oil level. And also I can show you a clip from this afternoon, as the engine was cold, it hasn't been run for 2 days, and I'll show you the clip right now. So the car hasn't been running for 3 days. The engine is cold, as you can see. I can touch it easily. It's about 7 or 10 degrees outside, and when I want to start the car, I actually don't even have to start the engine. As you can see, the LEDs are all on, but the temperature shows 50 degrees. But in a second, and there you go, it just shows 150 for the oil temperature, the maximum. And as you can see, the water is still cold because the engine hasn't been running, obviously. And if I go into the check control menu for number 7, the coolant is all fine at 6 degrees. There we are, oil temperature 207 degrees, which is ridiculous. It's false. So there you are. Is there anyone out there who can help me? I don't know what to do next. Change the oil leveling sensor. I thought it would be that. I changed the oil obviously with it. The oil is now in it for like 120 kilometers, and I don't want to change it again. I don't know what the problem should be. There's also the battery just showing right there. Don't know what it is. Obviously there's some pixels missing. And I got a few codes which I can also pop in right now into the video. I don't know if this has got anything to do with it, if just the instrument cluster is wrong or maybe broken. Don't know. I would really appreciate it if you can help me, guys. Apart from that, I will make an entire introduction video of the car. I can already tell you that this is a BMW individual color, messing metallic in Germany, should be brass metallic in English, with, again, BMW individual leather in olive green. Should be quite rare. Thanks Ryan for that. Apparently there are 11 E39s built in that color in the world. So, introduction video will follow anytime soon, but I would really appreciate if I could sort that thing out with the oil temperature. Thank you guys, see ya.